you open the door. You open the door. May nag-tick si daddy, may tick daw. Sige nga, open mo nga. 하지마 이렇게. 이거 뭐야? What is inside? What? Kani. 뭐야 있어? Wow! Dumating na yung padala ni Tita Christine. What's that?
A bag.
Oh, you get. Galing yan kay Christine Ju TV.
이렇게 오늘 잘 봐.
Maria. Pali! Hold, get. Can you? Wow, wow, look at guys, Paba guys, may bibitot nakakatulong naman gadak bibitot nakakatulong na sa bibitot ko. Come on, in here. What is inside this bag? Here. Galing to kay Kumaring Christine. Mars, thank you. Nandito na yung padala mo. Maraming salamat. Guys, let's open. Ano yung pinadala ni Mars Christine?
It says no knife.
Huh?
It says no knife.
Says?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Chokoman, salsal. Correction na ako ng anak ko. Bawal.
This correct. Umbrella. Wow. That's a great idea for rainy.
Thank you, Mars.
Rainy.
What is inside? Wow! Chunchun eh! Wow, guys! Alam nyo guys, ang tagal ko nang hindi ang dami naman ito, Mars!
I'm sad.
Oh my gosh!
It was not for Daddy.
Mars! Ang
It was for you.
Ice pack. This is kangkong. This is very, very healthy food. This is, oh my gosh, ang dami! Mas ang dami! Guys, ang dami kong kangkong. Kangkong.
Hey, Mommy.
Oh!
It wasn't for Daddy.
Mayroon pa sa baba. Diyos ko, Maria!
Yes!
Ang palaya! When you're still a baby, when your teeth is coming out, your teether is ang palaya. Guys, nung maliit pa ang baby ko, yung teether niya is this one, ang palaya. Kaya, mahilig yan ng ampalaya. Kumakain siya ng ampalaya. Hindi siya napapaitan.
Only my panchan.
Oo, suga panchan.
Queso.
Oh, no. Kunggang hada. Kunggang he. Yachi는. This one is Philippine yachi. Like, the name of this is ampalaya.
And how to say that about Korea?
Nakapakampang. I don't know.
Sana
Anya. Mula nakapakampang. Another, what is this?
Newt and another one inside there.
Guys, ang dami naming gulay. Yes! Fresh from the farm. Ang daming grasyan dumating. Mars Christine Ju TV, thank you so much for this blessing. May ulam na kami ni Baby Tot.
Inside here.
Kami lang ang kakain nito ni Baby Tot. Mars, thank you so much. Wow, ang dami namang kangkong. Ang tataba ng kangkong. Grabe. Wow, masarap nito pag may tahong. Bili nga ako ng tahong. Wow, ang daming kang-kang. Guys, tingnan nyo guys. Ang daming kangkong. Bigay ito ni Mars, ni Mads Christine Ju TV. Thank you so much, Mads Christine. Thank you for this pagulay mo sa amin. Thank you so much. So guys, bye for now. At lulutuin ko. Magluluto ako ng kapiranggot nito. Paulam ko sa aking Baby Tot.
Hey, Walker!
Mads, maraming salamat. Itong bigay mong mga gulay. Ang dami. Nagulat ako, Mads. Grabe naman, ang dami nito. Tsaka ampalaya. Oh, ang gaganda ng ampalaya. Ang sarap nito lagyan ng itlog.
Itlog.
This is your panchan later. I will cook this one for you, okay? This is your bayan ha? Harachi? What will you say to Tita Jo Christine to Tita Bani?
I'm okay. Thank you, Tita Bunny.
Thank you for the kangkong and ampalaya. Si Jack.
Thank you for the angkong and tapalia.
Kangkong and ampalaya, diba?
Thank you for angkong and ampalaya. Mala?
Oh, madja.
Lagi mana?
So guys, sa mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe sa channel namin, please subscribe our channel and please click the bell button para updated kayo sa aming mga video. Thank you! Thank you for watching! Bye-bye!
You tried the box tab and surprise for Daddy. What Daddy?